Hey guys, what's up? This is Bharat. You're watching iGyaan, and today we've received a mystery box from one of our favorite companies, which is Google. It says Google Chromecast, so I know there's a Chromecast inside the box. But why did they send me such a big box? I don't know what else is inside, so let's quickly check it out, and then we'll also check out the Chromecast, which I'm really interested in. So on the top is the Google logo, and on the sides, as you can clearly see, it says that the director is Bharat. Of course, they sent us a personalized sort of box. The box looks like a clapper. We actually have one of these. This is used on movie production sets, and then you set the date, scene, take, etc. So it says date today, scene 1, take 3. But Google, it's actually take 1. We're doing it in one take monkeys. So let's remove the top and see what's inside. So the first thing inside is what appears to be a ticket. This ticket is movie nights are awesome, a tiny device, big home entertainment, stream on. So basically they're saying stream your favorite movie, play a video on YouTube. You can make your television smarter by simply plugging in Chromecast, and it works. Interestingly, they said that it works with iPhone, iPad before they've said it works with Android phone and tablet. It also works with Mac before it works with Windows. So it's interesting that they're acknowledging that it kind of works really well on Apple devices. We have some coasters because you'll need those drinks, so save your furniture. Really nice coasters. It says Pushpa, I hate tears. And then you've got some interesting designs here. There's one that says Sara Shehar Mujhe Chromecast ke naam se janta hai. Really nice. Interesting. This appears to be coffee, blue Tokai coffee. This has become really popular now. So we've got the Attican estate, and we've also got the Binemara estate. I'm not sure, but it is Arabica French press coffee, 75 grams. It's got 3 flavors in it, a butter biscuit, a green grape, and a malt. And this one has a cocoa, fruity, and toffee flavor. So as most of you guys know, I love caffeine, and this will be good to check out. So finally, we have the Chromecast. This is the 3rd gen Chromecast. I'm going to place it to the side. Okay, so also inside the box, we have some gourmet popcorn, and I believe PBR makes them, that's right. So signature edition, it is Himalayan salt caramel popcorn. So that is nice. And then we have another box inside the box, So it's a nice lamp, I believe, and they've given us a bulb, because what's a lamp without a bulb? And that's it. So it's a custom made lamp. We'll check it out. It looks nice, but I think it's time to check out what we really came here to check out, which is the Chromecast. So let's get started with that. Okay, so we've got the new Chromecast here, and you can see that it already supports a lot of Indian apps without any issues. So you do have Hotstar here, Sony Live, Voot. We've got Jio Cinema. We've got Netflix. We've got Eros Now, Gaana, Savan, and Wink Music as well. It was really tiny, I couldn't read it properly. But let's unbox it. I want to see if there's a price on the box here real quick. The price on the box is $3499. So let's cut through the packaging. So this is the new Chromecast. It looks kind of nice. It's got this matte finish. It's also smaller in terms of the footprint, definitely more compact. The cable quality is just really nice. The HDMI cable, this is just a tiny cable. I believe they usually include extenders inside the box. There is the wall adapter that you will need to charge it up, or if your television does have a USB port, you can power up, not charge it up, but power up. You can power up the Chromecast directly. So they've not included a HDMI extension this time around, but there is a really, really high quality micro USB cable which is needed to power the device up. So if you do have a USB port, like I said, on your TV, you do not need to use this power brick. And this is a standard 5-volt power brick, so you can probably charge your smartphone or anything else with it. And then a quick start guide, a be safe guide, which is warranty and regulatory information. So the Chromecast is a small and compact device which weighs in at only 40 grams. It's 52 mm by 52 mm in terms of the dimension. The color on this is a charcoal color. The HDMI output from the Chromecast is still full HD 1080p. You're not getting 4K, so if you're expecting or hoping for that, you don't have that. Wireless capability on this device is both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. It's 802.11 AC. Now the setup process is fairly simplistic. All you need is the Google app on your smartphone, and you can easily pair up with the Chromecast using the pin provided on the screen. Once you enter the pin, you'll be able to quickly pair up with the device, and then by opening any app like Netflix or YouTube, you'll be able to cast the content from your phone to the Chromecast. All you need is a television with an HDMI port, and you can plug the USB cable into the wall charger and plug it into the wall. If your television does have a USB port, you can easily plug it into the television. Now, Chromecast is useful for people who do have televisions, but they're not smart televisions. And it's also useful for people who do have smart televisions that don't yet support Netflix and Amazon Prime. So if you bought a Xiaomi Mi TV in the past, getting a Chromecast is the easiest way to get official Netflix and Amazon Prime content directly on the Mi TV. We found that the network connection was easy to set up, and the wireless antennas are stronger than what we found in the second generation of Chromecast, which struggled in certain areas around the corners of the office. The Chromecast Gen 3 does have stronger Wi-Fi, which means that you will get better connectivity, and if you have a decent internet connection, you'll be able to stream full HD content without any problems. So that was it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. That was a quick look at Chromecast and our mystery package unboxing. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already a part of Team iGyaan. I'll leave links to the Google Chromecast Gen 3 in the description below. And until I see you next time, guys, this has been Bharat. Have a great day.
I don't know if what we had was just a waste of time. You got 70,000 friends, but I am one of them.